You can have money, you can have fame, but it can be stolen away from you. But once you acquire education, it is absolutely yours. To our school directors, Mrs. Edita Silva Jamapulangan, our assistant school director, Mr. Rolando Pesigan Jamapulangan, our school administrators, Engineer Froilan Silva Cardon Sr. and Mr. Marvel Silva Cardon, our school principal, Ms. Luz Torres Rivera, our guest speaker for this very momentous occasion, the regional mathematics supervisor, Mr. Cesar Monica, to the faculty and staff, parents, students, to my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. At this very moment, I can't help remembering my immense experiences during my stay here in Holy Trinity School. I can still remember the first time that I set my foot in this institution. I was just a small kid carrying my bag packed with books, notebooks, and pen. During that time, I was very timid because I was just a transferee and I was afraid of all the people that surrounded me. Maybe because I was used to be with my mother all the time. The feeling that I am nothing but an ordinary student. Years passed, I have developed my sense of tactfulness, that I gained friends and boosted my self-confidence. I can proudly say that Holy Trinity School is a great help in bringing out the best in me. During my elementary graduation, I was awarded as one of the achievers. At that time, there was a sound echoing behind my mind saying, "You can do even better than this." So, when I reached high school, I strived hard just to be on top. That even others say that I can't. Because at the end of the day, I want to be recognized as Derek de Guzman and not the son of a teacher. I mean, I'm proud of my mom, but I just want to rely on myself so I can stand on my own. Yes, that is one of my dreams. To build my own name without hiding in the shadows of my parents' attainments. And once again, HTS has been a big part on how I accomplished this dream. I grabbed the full scholarship that they offered me because I know this will be a great help to my parents. And with God's grace, after 4 long years of struggle, I survived. Yes, they're right. High school life is somewhat complicated. It is because in this stage, you will experience the happiness that you are longing for and your daunting failures. Also, during this phase, greater opportunities, responsibilities, and tasks pave way. Speaking of failures, failures never stopped me from reaching my dreams. Instead, I did the 3-letter P's: persist, pursue, and persevere. So everyone, look where I am now. From a simple and apprehensive lad, I am now a full-grown individual who is ready to face the challenges and demands that life has to give. This is it, the time for me to take bigger steps to wider avenues. The time to show everyone that I surpassed all the hindrances and impediments. The time to harvest the fruits of my labor. And most importantly, the time to prove everyone that I am the class valedictorian. At this point in time, with all humility and sincerity, allow me to thank and salute all the people who helped me to be where I am stepping right now. For without these people, people, I am nothing. I am worthless. First, I want to thank our Heavenly Father for showering the wisdom that brought me here in this platform. Thank you, Lord, for giving me this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness your greatness and meet those wonderful people who are always there to support me. I am also very thankful for the problems and challenges you gave me, because with that, I became a stronger and sturdier person. Also, through those, I learned how to appreciate and value life, because I believe life can be stolen away like a thief in the night. Next, I would like to express my deepest gratitude and appreciation to my alma mater, Holy Trinity School, for being my haven for the past 4 years. This institution really shaped me to be a globally competitive individual. I can safely say that this is one of the best training grounds for young learners, for it has a unique way of teaching. How did I say so? Well, what makes it different from others is the word discipline. For its 14th year of existence, it has been a word of mouth that Trinitarians are well-grounded citizens, because the institution believes that without discipline, there can be no learning at all. And I firmly believe that the employed graduates of this prestigious institution will be the future assets and great citizens of not only the country, but the entire globe. The only thing that I can say to the parents who chose this institution to be their children's home, you made the right move. Holy Trinity School, thank you for giving me wings so I can fly and reach my goals. Of course, I will not forget the 2 persons behind the success of this institution, for without them, this night is impossible. The pillars of this institution, Ma'am Edith S. Makulangan and Sir Rolando P. Di Makulangan. To the both of you, thank you for giving us this wonderful institution, and because of you, I am armed with mighty sword for me to survive the next battles to come. Especially to Ma'am Edith for believing in my capacity and for letting me enjoy the full scholarship, which has been a great help to me and to my family as well. You know, ma'am, I learned a lot from you, like the way how much I carry myself, how to mingle with people, and above all, how to be a successful person. Sir and ma'am, don't you worry, because 6 to 10 years from now, when I am already a professional, you are one of the first persons that I will remember. To my dearest teachers, the word thank you is not and will never be enough to express my wholehearted appreciation and gratitude. First, to my English teachers, Ms. Wang, I couldn't imagine if I could make a speech like this one without you. You are the one who built a strong foundation in me. Sir Derby, I will never forget you, because you are the one who taught me how to diagram sentences and how to analyze selections and sentences with profound cognition. Sir, I can consider you as one of the institution when it comes to English language. Sir John, my theatrical teacher, thank you, and hoping that years from now, I can see you as one of the internationally acclaimed theater actors. To the pre-elementary and elementary teachers, especially to Ms. Mars, Ms. Seychelles, Ms. Jocelyn, Ms. Grace, Ms. Annalyn, Ms. Venus, Ms. Krista, and most importantly, Ms. Eileen. Thank you for letting me enter your lives. I will never forget the laughter that we had. I just feel sorry that we only had less than a year to be intact with each other. To my high school teachers, to begin with Engineer Cargon, my mathematics teacher, thank you for showing us that mathematics is very vital. I will always remember the notation that you keep on telling us. And the notation goes like this. Mathematics will make this world great again. Sir, thank you because you really equipped me with enough knowledge so that I wouldn't find it hard to cope up when I reach college. Ms. Larney, you know what? I will miss the cheerful moments that I had with you. I can consider you as the most considerate teacher that I ever had in my life. Next, to my science teacher, Sir Glenn, you are the best. I admire you so much because from you, I only didn't learn the chemical formulas, balancing chemical reactions, and the scientific method. But the most important thing that I gained from you is to value my family. Sir, thank you very much. To my AP teacher, Sir Tony, from you, sir, I learned not to be dependent on my teachers. You made me realize that not all the times I should rely on my teachers, but instead, I must stand on my own. Ms. Irene, I admire you so much for your intelligence. How I wish someday I would be as smart and courageous as you are. To my advisor, Ms. Mercy, a million thanks to you. Thank you for being such a caring advisor, or should I say, a mother to me and to my classmates. I will miss our sleepovers just to finish the school paper. Miss Mercy, don't you worry, because you will always remain very dear to my heart. Special thanks also to Sir Joel, my math teacher, to Miss Aiza, and of course, to Miss Grace Kalingasan, my mentor when it comes to computer literacy. To Teacher Fabi, thank you for being one of the reasons why I smile every day. Without you, I will not realize that I can host. Because from the day you picked me to host the Ginoo Binibini Kalikasan 2011, countless doors opened for me that brought me to the peak of success where I am now. Teacher Fabi, thank you for making me shine. And lastly, the man who inspired me to do my best in everything that I do, Sir Bench. I cannot think of the exact adjective that I was used to describe this man. Sir, thank you for the trust and for all the learnings that I got from you. That made me a responsible student, that allocated me the respect of many. Like, always ask what you can do for the institution and not what the institution will do for you. And in every person that you will encounter every day, make sure that you will learn something good from him. Sir Bench, thank you and I will miss you so much. To my graduating batch, especially to my classmates, allow me to thank and congratulate all of you for you successfully complied all the prerequisites of being a high school student. I will treasure all the moments when I'm with you. At this moment, I used to think if I could ever find someone like you. I bet no. Because for me, this is the perfect batch. My fellow graduates, I hope to see you 6 to 10 years from now as professionals of your own respective fields. Prove to your parents that they did not waste their time, money, and effort just to send you to a private institution for nothing. Never be affected with the negative impressions and comments that people will throw to you. Always bear in mind that we have our individual differences, and each of us has our own criticisms and uniqueness. Remember, nobody is perfect. As we begin our journey, I wish all the best for you. If you falter and stumble once, make sure that it will serve as your guide in learning and not a reason to stop dreaming and pursuing. Never beat around the bush, because we never know how hard it is to regain back time. I believe in you, you can do it. To the HCS Chorale, headed by our hardworking and versatile program and cultural coordinator, our very own teacher, Fabi M. Torres, thank you for not only letting me to share my talent, but for also letting me serve our Almighty Father in the simplest way that I can. So, to the existing members, never stop singing and praising the Lord, because as our motto says, he who sings, prays twice. Next, to the newly elected officers of the Supreme Student Government, being the former president, I sincerely entrust the full responsibility to all of you. May you continue planting good seeds to our institution like the way I did during my reign in administration, so that at the end of the day, you can harvest good products and outcomes. And of course, to the new batch of safety officers, I salute all of you. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of your lives for almost 5 months. I hope that you will always commit to memory the main reason why you joined this organization. Simply the word service. And of course, the most important person in my life, the reasons why there is Derek de Guzman speaking here in front of you, my ever-loving and supportive parents. You know what? This person served as my inspiration to study hard and to encompass whatever I have right now. These are the results of all your hard work and perseverance. Thank you for not letting me to grow old knowing nothing by sending me to a private school like Holy Trinity School. Thank you for everything. I am very lucky that God bestowed both of you to me. I couldn't ask for more. My only desire for you to always take care so that you can live longer. Because in the near future, I want you to be with me as I reach my dreams and aspirations, and as I reach the success that I am craving for. These medals, these are nothing. For as early as this afternoon, I received the most precious reward I could ever have in my life. The presence of my parents in this special occasion. To you, Tatay and Ninay, these are all for you. Thank you, and I love you very much. As I move forward to gaze at the realization of my dreams, once again, look at me. Yes, I may not be the best class valedictorian. I may not have the best speech. But I know to myself that I became a productive student of my alma mater, Holy Trinity School. I left permanent trademarks that will remind every Trinitarian of my own identity. At this moment, I think I can proudly and safely say that this is my journey, this is my fate, this is my destiny, and this is what I deserve. Long live Trinitarians, long live Holy Trinity School. Continue